Hello everyone, and thank you for coming to my channel. And right now I'm going to share to you the latest Axie Infinity Origin cursors that I had made. So this is applicable on Windows 7, 8 and 10, then 11. Now we have Buba, we have the hand, Kotaro, Olek, Pointer, and Puffy. So to apply these cursors on your computer, just go to the settings. So if you're on Windows 11, just click the start button. Then type in cursor. Then let's click the first best match. Now just click on pointers. Then this is the things that you can customize on your cursor. So let's say this normal select. Then just click on browse. Then navigate the folder of the customized cursor from Axie Infinity Origins. Then let me just select maybe Kotaro. Double click, then click apply, then click yes. Now it's changed into Kotaro. And if you want to customize everything, so you just need to click on the items that you want to change. Maybe let's select the link select, then click on browse, then let's check the hand, click apply, then okay. Then you can also click enable pointer shadow to add some aesthetics on your cursor. Now it has a little shadow. Then let me select another one, maybe the hand. Then click apply and yes. Okay, so this is not animated. Then let's click maybe the pointer, then apply. And for the link select, so on the link cursor, whenever you mouse over to a link or hyperlink, so the cursor will change into the hand. So you can check or select any cursor that you want to change, like Puffy, open, then apply, then yes. So Puppy will change the mouse over on the link select. And that's about it, and hopefully you enjoy my cursors, and hopefully I can add more later on. So feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and thank you for watching. See you on the next video.